Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USAA bank account with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to keep track of your finances and you bank with USAA. How do you actually go ahead and connect both financial institutions together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, click on the three lines, then click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions, and then click on Add Your First Account. Now on this page here, it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. Click on Accept, then click on Continue as Guest, and then next, click on USAA. Now once you click on USAA, it's going to prompt you to log in, and once you log in, you can select which bank accounts you want to be connected to the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your USAA bank account with the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.